Welcome back to the Appy Pie Job Portal series. Job seekers have started applying. Let's review their applications and take action. The dashboard already shows latest applied jobs on the right. Open applied users in the site in AV for the full review. Every application lands here: job title, applicant, email, phone, resume, date, and status. Each row starts as pending until you take action. Open the Actions menu on any application. 3 choices: View details to see everything, Shortlist to move forward, or Reject to close it out. OK closes the details view. Back in the Actions menu, hit Shortlist to advance an applicant. Filter the list by pending, shortlisted, or rejected. Here senior product designer is shortlisted. Or set it back to all to see every applicant side by side. That's how you review applications and take action in the Appy Pie Job Portal.